To check your social security number on Credit Karma. It's a relatively straightforward process. Credit Karma prioritizes user privacy and security, so they don't display full social security numbers. However, they may show the last 4 digits in certain sections for identification purposes. To view any visible parts of your social security number, start by logging into your Credit Karma account, either through their website or mobile app. Once logged in, navigate to the profile settings by clicking on the profile icon, usually located at the top right corner, and select the settings or profile option. From there, you can review your personal information, where you may find the last 4 digits of your social security number displayed under personal details for verification purposes. If you're unable to locate your social security number, you can reach out to Credit Karma's support team for assistance. Simply inform them that you're having trouble finding your social security number on the platform, and they will help resolve the issue.